Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to English through Book Ideas. Today, we have a very useful and friendly English topic.
Yes, today's topic is, I love your shirt. We will learn how to give compliments and how to respond to compliments naturally.
A compliment is something nice you say to another person. For example, I love your shirt. Nice watch. That dress looks great on you.
Compliments are small, but they can make people feel happy. So today, let's learn how to say them in simple, natural English.
Imagine you see your friend wearing a nice shirt. You want to say something kind. What can you say?
You can say, I love your shirt. It's short, friendly, and very common.
And if someone says, I love your shirt, what should you say?
You can say, thank you, or thanks, I like it too.
Great. Today's speaking goal is simple. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to give compliments about clothes and accessories.
And you will also learn how to respond when someone gives you a compliment.
Let's start with our main phrase. Listen carefully. I love your shirt.
Repeat after me. I love your shirt.
Good. One more time. I love your shirt.
This phrase is very useful. You can change the word shirt to many other things.
For example, I love your jacket. I love your watch. I love your dress.
And you can use it for casual clothes too. I love your t-shirt. I love your jeans. I love your shorts.
Now, let's hear a short dialogue. Listen first.
Hi, I love your shirt. The color is really nice.
Thank you. I just bought it yesterday.
It looks great on you.
Thanks. That's very kind of you.
Great dialogue. Now let's break it down.
The first sentence is, I love your shirt. It means, I think your shirt is very nice.
Then I said, the color is really nice. This gives more detail. It makes the compliment sound warmer and more natural.
And I answered, thank you. I just bought it yesterday. This is a good response. You say thank you, and then you can add a small detail.
Finally, I said, it looks great on you. This means the shirt matches you or it suits you.
And I answered, thanks. That's very kind of you. This is a polite and natural response.
Now let's learn the simple pattern.
Pattern 1. I love plus clothing or accessory.
For example, I love your jacket.
I love your sweater.
I love your bracelet.
I love your belt.
Pattern 2. Nice plus clothing or accessory.
For example, nice watch.
Nice ring.
Nice jeans.
Nice skirt.
This pattern is shorter and more casual.
Pattern 3. That plus item looks great on you.
For example, that dress looks great on you.
That jacket looks great on you.
That t-shirt looks great on you.
This is a very natural phrase for compliments.
Now, let's practice with more examples.
Example 1. I love your jacket. It looks very stylish.
Thank you. I wear it a lot.
Example 2. Nice watch. It looks expensive.
Thanks. It was a gift.
Example 3. That skirt looks great on you.
Thank you. That's so nice of you.
Example 4. I love your bracelet. It's beautiful.
Thanks. My sister gave it to me.
Example 5. Nice jeans. They look comfortable.
Thanks. They are really comfortable.
Let's look at different clothes and accessories. Repeat after us.
The jacket,
Shorts.
a watch,
Jeans.
a skirt,
A bracelet.
a shirt,
A sweater.
a ring,
A t-shirt.
a dress.
A belt.
Good job. Now let's put them into compliment sentences.
I love your jacket.
Nice shorts.
I love your watch.
Nice jeans.
That skirt looks great on you.
I love your bracelet.
Nice shirt.
That sweater looks great on you.
I love your ring.
Nice t-shirt.
That dress looks beautiful on you.
I like your belt.
Now let's talk about responding to compliments.
The easiest response is, thank you.
You can also say, thanks.
For a warmer response, say, Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Or, thanks, I'm glad you like it.
Or, thank you. I just bought it.
Or, thanks, it was a gift.
Now, common mistake. Many English learners do not know what to say after a compliment.
Sometimes they say, no, it's not good. For example, I love your dress. No, it's old and cheap.
This sounds a little negative. In English, it is usually better to accept the compliment politely.
So instead of saying, no, just say, thank you. Thanks, that's very kind. Thank you, I'm glad you like it.
Let's compare.
Not natural. I love your shirt. No, it's not good.
Better. I love your shirt. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Now it's time for a mini practice challenge.
I will say an item. You make a compliment using I love your.
Ready? Number 1, jacket.
Say it. I love your jacket.
Great. Number 2, watch.
Say it. I love your watch.
Number 3, sweater.
Say it. I love your sweater.
Number 4, bracelet.
Say it. I love your bracelet.
Number 5, shirt.
Say it. I love your shirt.
Now practice responding. I will give you a compliment. You respond with, thank you. That's very kind of you.
I love your t-shirt.
Your turn.
Good. You can say, thank you. That's very kind of you.
Nice ring.
Your turn. Good. You can say, thanks. I'm glad you like it.
That dress looks great on you.
Your turn. Excellent. You can say, thank you. That's so nice of you.
Let's review today's lesson.
Today, we learned how to give compliments. The main phrase was, I love your shirt.
We also learned, I love your jacket. Nice watch. That dress looks great on you.
And we learned how to respond, thank you. Thanks. I'm glad you like it. Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Remember, when someone gives you a compliment, smile and say thank you.
Your final challenge. Write 3 compliments in the comments. Use 3 different words from today's vocabulary.
For example, I love your jacket. Nice watch. That sweater looks great on you.
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to English Through Book Ideas, and practice with us again in the next lesson.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, small English phrases can make big conversations.
See you next time.
Bye!